Guess I'm like finding out a lot more about this truck. I should wear my gloves. It's a really sad story. So the guy that shot himself in here was only 25. And then I found out that his mother died like maybe, I don't know, 3 months before, so he must have been depressed. You can see all the blood down there. What goes behind the back seat. But what I just, I just kind of the first time I got a better look at the truck. You can see kind of blood splatter over there. And then I'm going to imagine that the bullet went through the back seat. And then I still got to get in there and clean it up. Then the puddle, really crusty. Threw away a lot of fishing gear that was back here. So lots of cleaning. I was more afraid of the wasp